Best hair clipping system services. Discover the best hair clipping systems at Bglam Hair Studio. Transform your look with our hair clipping services and book your appointment now. Explore the fantastic and hassle-free way to add volume and length to your hair with our clip-in hair procedure at Bglam Hair Studio. Our clip-in hair procedure guarantees a natural appearance. With a range of colors available, there's something to suit everyone, and no one will know you're wearing them. Clip-in hair procedures are versatile and easy to use. They can be used to add extensions for experimenting with different hairstyles and require minimum maintenance for longevity. Choosing between clip-on and stick-on hair systems depends on your personal preference, lifestyle, and hairstyling needs. At Bglam Hair Studio, we offer both. Experience our seamless clip-on hair system application process at Bglam Hair Studio. From consultation to aftercare instructions, our stylists provide exceptional service throughout. Maximize your Bglam clip-in hair system experience with our helpful tips, from choosing the right shade to storing your hair system properly. At Bglam, we are here to guide you every step of the way.